Today I'm speaking of Super Mario's biggest rival, Crash Bandicoot. Oh wait, I put the wrong game. Oh my fucking god. Oh well, I don't have any other option, so I have to speak about Sonic the Hedgehog. Let me introduce you to Sonic the Crackhead. When Sonic was young, his parents accidentally dropped him in a pot of full of monster. After that, he couldn't stop running fast. That's when he began his energy drink addiction. Many people have tried to stop him. One of them was Eggman, Sonic's childhood crush. He took Sonic Monster Collection, threw it away, and now Sonic is angry and wants to revenge. He tries to burn Eggman's house down, so Eggman rented animal mercenaries to stop Sonic. Green Hill Zone, most iconic Sonic level. It's beautiful and green and green and more green. It has best level design in the whole game. Levels are fast and fun to play, and the cherry on top of the cake, the music in this game are beautiful and iconic for Sonic's franchise. Oh, it is time to take good stuff. Now we can play bonus levels. If we complete them, we get Chaos Emeralds. You ask what they do? Sorry, but I'm too bad at this game to get them. So you have to play game or just Google it. After the best level, we got the worst level in this game, Marble Zone. Sonic is given that is advertised as fast game. This level is opposite of that. Levels have multiple moving platforms and took ages to move and stones that you need to push. Time that I was to wait for these platforms, I would have found love of my life, had many children, successful career, and find cure to cancer, but no, I need to wait for these fucking platforms. I have message for people who made this level. Where we left? Oh yeah, Springyard Zone. Oh no, more moving platforms, you need to wait. And these things, I don't even want to know how many times I got stuck in these. There are more things to wait than in Marble Zone. I just wanted to run fast and not be stuck in elevator that takes ages to move. Do you remember when I said the Marble Zone is first level in this game? I lied. The Labyrinth Zone is kind of level that I will see nightmares about in my retirement home. There's nobody who actually likes water levels in games. I can prove it. Everybody who likes water levels, raise your hand. See, nobody likes them. Water levels are extremely bad in this game. They make Sonic run a lot slower because Hedgehogs can swim, right? And don't let me start talking about drowning voice. It gave me nightmares, background music, and at this level, the boss is awful. The only thing you need to do is chase Eggman, and you don't even need to hit him once. He ran away with tail between his legs. Starlight Zone is the second best level in this game. Music and level looks beautiful and has good design. This level does not have water or platform you need to wait for eternity. Finally, after all this time, I've missed this feeling. Finally we arrived at Eggman's factory. Now it's time to get Sonic Monster back. Finally we had 2 good levels in a row. What is this, dream or am I tripping? Give me my monster back right now! Oh wait, more water levels? I hate this fucking game! I wanna cry. This game makes me wanna go play Overwatch. Now, finally, it is time for the final showdown. It's get good, noob. Basic gameplay is fun and music is great. I would recommend this to everyone. You can get Sonic 1 for all platforms nowadays, so you don't have reason to not play this game. Sonic had some bad things, but the good stuff are so great that I give this game 4 monsters out of 5.